What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a print-on-demand shop on Shopify. So let's get right to it. Print on demand is basically when you set up a certain design on and publish it on your website. Of course, you'll need to go ahead and connect to a supplier, a certain print on demand supplier like Printify, which we will use in this video. So basically, you need only to create the design and then choose a product from the catalog on Shopify. So like t-shirts, mugs, you name it, you can view the different products on Printify. And once you get an order, you don't have, of course, to have an inventory of the product itself. Once you get an order from Shopify, Printify will handle everything from printing your design on their blank product and packing it and delivering with your logo, adding a logo to the package and delivering it to your customer. And all you need to do is only add the designs and then you will keep the profit. So it's a great passive income method, and it is also pretty easy to set up. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to, of course, set up your Shopify store. So as you can see here, I have a Shopify store open. So I've gone and signed up to Shopify, and this is my store right here. The second step is to go ahead on Printify and create an account on Printify. So I've done so as well. And now you'll need to connect both of them. So you'll need to connect your Printify account to your Shopify store to start creating your designs. So here on Printify, you can, let's take a look first at the catalog. So the types of products. So you have like men's clothing, women's clothing, accessories, home living. So let's view like the accessories. For example, you have face masks, phone cases, bags, socks, underwear, and many kinds of products. So here on the homepage, you have some featured products like these ornaments, metal and ceramic, some aprons, wraps, and so on. So you can find pretty much any product or any blank product that you need to print your design on. So let's go and click on my new store right here, and then here add a new store, and in here we want to select Shopify and then add your Shopify URL, which you will find here in the settings. If you go to Shopify and go to settings, you will find your shop URL. So let's copy it and then paste it right here. Okay, and then click on connect. And here it'll go to open or it'll open the Shopify account and ask you to enter the Printify print on demand app. So click on install app right here. Okay, now that the app is installed, it opens up Printify right from within your Shopify store. You can go ahead and log in to your Printify account. So I'll go ahead and do so. Click on login and then enter your email and password. I'll do so right now. Okay, now all I have to do is choose a product to sell. So for this video, let's choose a hoodie, for example. And here you have many types of hoodies to choose from. Okay, okay, I like this one, the mineral wash hoodie. And when you hover over the picture, it'll show you where your design will go. So okay, this one, your design will go all over. Okay, I like this one, the mineral wash hoodie. If you click on it, you can see here the like the different info, the like material and description, everything. And here you have the providers. Usually you can have more than one provider for a certain item. However, for this one, we have only one provider and they have a pretty high rating. So 9.7 is great. I recommend you not to go below a rating of 9 or like a minimum of 8.8 or something. Here you can see the price and the price including and the shipping price as well. So like $44.93 and like $10. So let's say $55 in total. Of course, you need to list it on your Shopify store with a value higher than this to make a profit. And once, let's say you list it for like $70, so like a $15 profit. Once you get an order, your client will pay the $70 or whatever amount you pay, and some of this amount will go, of course, to cover the item price for Printify, and you get to keep the difference as a profit. So let's here click on start designing. Here you have two colors like the black and the mineral navy. Let's choose, you can choose them in the editing. So let's click on start designing. Here you can generate a design with AI, or you can get it from my design. And here you have your library, you have templates, so you can add a template, and you have graphics, which are like ready-made designs. However, I strongly recommend you not to use them because, of course, many people used them before, so your product won't be anything special. What I recommend here is to go to Canva. Canva is a great website or platform you can use to design virtually anything. So here we will use it to design a custom design for our clothing. So let's like go ahead in templates, and we want to have like a text template. We do not want a very complicated design. Actually, let's make a fitness design, since I already made fitness logos like on Canva related to fitness. Let's make a fitness design. So I like this one. Let's say you have like a fitness brand. Okay, and this one looks cool also. And this text logo looks great, the color studio. Actually, let's use this one, so customize template. Okay, you can edit the shapes for each individual letter, and you can edit the text here. So let's say brand. So it's only like a let's delete this page, we do not want it. Okay, now let's remove the background to have it like a transparent design. So to do so, if the background is not transparent and you have a color like a solid color, let's click on it and then delete it, and it'll show here as a white, and it'll ask you here, it show the background color as like this like colorful like icon. Now let's download it. Click on share and then click on download. For a design with a transparent color, of course you want to use PNG. For the size, you can go ahead and go as big as you can to preserve as many details as you can when it goes printing. And here you can choose different formats. Of course, check transparent background to download PNG. Now click on download, and it'll be downloaded right here. Now go back to your Printify here, and then add your design. Click on new design from my computer, and then go to downloads, and then select the logo that you downloaded. It'll upload, and then it'll be added to your design right here. Okay, looking good. Let's make it bigger to fill in all this space, or like placeholder for the logo or for the design. Okay, looking good here. You can copy it, you can like align it and do whatever you want with it, and you can click on this like circle here to rotate it a bit. I like it this way, not like straight. And you can edit the details, alignment, and you can also create a pattern if you want to, so that the design will be repeated or repeat itself. And now you can zoom in and out if you scroll. Now preview, you can click to preview how your design will look like in on a real product, okay, on a person, and so on. Okay, looking good, I like it. And you can choose the mockup color mode. For this, you can choose like CMYK or RGB, and this will affect how your design will be printed. It doesn't matter really here what you choose. And now you can go ahead and save the product. And here you can edit the product, the shipping profile here. And you can edit the description, you can edit the name. So let's rename it Mineral Hoodie. or mineral color hoodie. Okay, edit description, add size, label, table to description. Okay, in the metric. Okay, so here they can measure out their measurements and know exactly what size to order. Okay, you can add tags, you can add variants, so the color, size, and so on. Here you have only one color, however many sizes. And if you go ahead to the you can choose also the shipping method, and here the retail price is the price that will appear on your Shopify store. So of course you need to add a price that is higher than the shipping and the total retail like cost of the price. So let's enter like $80 so that we get a profit. So $80, 80 here for all these sizes. Okay, and now your product here is added to your Printify store. Now to publish it, just click here on the product itself, and in here you should see publish. However, it's hidden behind like this trial icon. So let's try to like click on it, or click, okay, click like on the edge here. Okay, now, okay, let's close this one. Now, when we go to the products and we see this product right here, it says published. Let's hide this. Uploading images. And if you go to our Shopify store, let's close this one and go to products. Now your product should be added here. And now when someone goes to your store and buys your product, Printify will handle everything from like printing, packing, and delivering, and you only keep the profit. So that's how easy it is to create a print-on-demand drop shipping product on your or for your Shopify store using Printify.